welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a review on these lip crayons by Lakme. Now one of you asked me to review these lip crayons and that is the reason I got two shades in them. I did not own them before, and also I would like to make it clear that I cannot go ahead and buy all the shades from the range that you want me to review. I would go ahead and buy 2-3 shades, but not like all the shades to show you all the swatches, because one, I do not earn from YouTube so much that I can invest back into YouTube and buy all these stuff and review it for you guys. I am doing that with my own money. So spending so much of money on makeup is just not possible or feasible for me right now. And second, even if I want to buy the lipsticks, what I do always is I go ahead and buy 1 or 2 from the range so that I can see if that formulation suits my lips or not, because I have really dry and cracked lips. So not all the formulations suit my lips. So that is the reason I go ahead and buy only 1 or 2 shades from the range, and then if the formulation suits me, I go ahead and buy more shades from the range. So that is the reason I got only 2 shades from the range. Also, I'll have so many lipsticks in my stash then if I buy all the lipsticks and show you all the swatches, that the lipstick will never get over. Though it doesn't get over even now, but then I'll have so much of collection. So right now I'm not looking to spend on that until unless I earn from YouTube. So once I do, I would definitely look back to invest that money into YouTube and buy the products that you want me to review. So yeah, all that blabbering is done. Let's move to pros and cons and an overview of these lip crayons directly. So coming to the overview, these lip crayons retail for 189 rupees and the quantity of these lip crayons is 2.2. So let's get started with the pros. So the first pro is obviously 185 rupees. If I said 195 before, then I'm sorry. So yeah, the pro is that 185 rupees is such a commendable price range for everybody to go out and afford, especially the college going and teens people, like the ones who are in their teen. They would not like to spend 700-800 on a single lip crayon on a single shade. So the price range is superb, it's amazing, and the fact that it comes, each crayon comes with a sharpener in the price range of 185 is commendable. So Lakme has done a superb job in that part. Second thing is the size of these lip crayons is amazing. I never tend to get over or never tend to get finished those huge lip crayons, and then when I want to buy new shades from those lip crayon range or something, I have to think twice, because I already own so many lipsticks which are not even getting over because their size is so huge. So coming out with these mini sizes is amazing, because I can even imagine that someday they might get over. So yeah, this quantity is perfect for people like me, because I kind of just doesn't finish my lipsticks. So that is the reason I really love this quantity. Also for a college going or teens, they can easily pop it in their pockets or in their bags easily. So it's very travel friendly. The third thing is the packaging is amazing. The plastic isn't super cheap or something like that. I mean, if they have a cost of 185, they are not cutting down the quality of these lip crayons. The lip crayons quality is amazing and the price is amazing. So the plastic used, the caps and everything, this is amazing. Now coming to its formulation, the formulation of these lip crayons is not extremely dry and they are not extremely moisturizing as well. Now my lips are very dry. So if this thing suits my lips, it will definitely suit your lips, because my lips are extremely drying. I don't think anybody in this world will have more dry lips than mine. So yeah, this kind of suits my lips. It sits comfortably on my lips. It doesn't dry out my lips. Neither does it make them really cracked or chappy. So yeah, this thing suits my lips really well. Now coming to the texture of these crayons is not extremely matte. They have a touch of shine or a touch of sheen to them. They are not extremely on spot matte. Now coming to the cons, I have 3 cons to tell to you guys. So the first thing is pigmentation. Though the Mauve Magic in one swipe could show a lot of color on my lips, the Cinnamon Brown did not show up on my lips at all on one swipe. I had to go twice or thrice for the colors to show. So I think from color to color, the pigmentation will differ, and if you have really pigmented lips, then you will have to see which color suits you and which color shows up on your lips or not. Next is transfer. Now these lip crayons are not transfer proof, and that is a major turn off for me because I like to kiss my little one a lot, and having a liquid or having a lip crayon that transfers is something that I do not wear even in daily basis, because then it will transfer on her cheeks and everything, like chemicals on her cheeks and the color. So I really like those lipsticks which do not transfer. These transfers a lot. You drink a glass of water, it will transfer. You kiss your child, it will transfer. You kiss your boyfriend, it will show up on their face. So these transfer a lot, and that is something that I really don't like. But maybe because it's a little creamy and glides on really well, part makes these lipsticks a little transferable. Apart from that, the last point that I want to state is it does settle in the lines on your lips sometimes. So if you have really dry lips and you haven't used a lip balm before applying these lip crayons, it might settle down into the lines. So that is one thing which I again do not like. So yeah, these were all the pros and cons of this lip crayons. Now giving you an overall review, these are easy to glide creamy lip crayons which are very reasonably priced. Only problem is a little bit of pigmentation and that they transfer a little bit, not little bit, they transfer a lot. Apart from that, the price range that they come in, the quality is unbeatable. The quality of this lip crayons at 185 rupees is outstanding. I would definitely go ahead and buy pink shades in this lip crayon because the quality is superb. So yeah, this was the review that I wanted to share with you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, then please give this video a huge thumbs up and let me know in comments below what more products review would you like to see on this channel. And yeah, see ya. Bye bye. Take care for today. Bye.